How to get more views on Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If you're not getting more views on your Facebook Marketplace listing, then in this video, we're going to talk about some key points on how you can boost your Facebook Marketplace listing views. Now, the first thing you have to remember is to use high quality photos. You must upload clear and well-lit photos of your items from different angles. If the photos are of bad quality, which is in bad light or blurry, it is not going to attract the customers. The photograph should be able to give information of color and condition of your item. This helps your listing stand out and also give the customer a better idea of what they're buying. The second point is to write a detailed description starting from the title. Write down a title which is both attractive and also descriptive about your item. Then you also have to include the category. Make sure that your category is specific. This is going to help the potential buyers find your listing while searching for that specific items. Then you want to include a detailed description of the item that should include the information such as size, color, and condition. The next point is pricing. Before you determine the price of your item, research similar items on Facebook Marketplace to get an idea of what other sellers are charging. Pricing your item competitively can help it stand out and attract more buyers. The next point is to share your listing. After you have published your listing, you want to click on the share button, and then from here you can share this on your Facebook page. You can also share it on a friend's profile, share to a group, or send in private chats, or you can copy the link and share it in other different platforms as well. Now, finally, the fifth point is to respond to inquiries quickly. After listing your items, you're going to get different messages and comments from potential buyers. You have to check your messages frequently and respond to the inquiries as quickly as possible. This is going to build the trust with potential buyers and increase the chances of a successful sale. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.